What's up, everybody? Hope you're doing good. Hope you're having a great day, enjoying your weekend out here. We finally got some grass after the rain, so here they go. Go ahead. Keep going, keep going. So great to have rain again and grass. It's the craziest thing. When the rain comes, miracles happen. And so our garden is doing amazing. And the pastures are doing good. They're doing good. They're coming back. So we're thankful for the rain, thankful for that. And we're thankful for you. Have a great rest of your weekend and enjoy what you're doing. Take care.